students, in our earlier video we have discussed about the factorization by taking a monomial and a polynomial as a common factor. Now in this video we will be going to discuss about the factorization by using the identities and by splitting the middle term. So keep watching this video. First, factorization using identity. Let's factorization using identities. So we have studied about the three identities. The first identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. The second one, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. And the third identity that we got, a minus b multiplied with a plus b is results to a square minus b square. Now what does the factorization mean? The factorization means writing an algebraic expression into the product of two algebraic terms. Yes? Okay. Now if we will move to the first part, what we will observe here? See, this a plus b whole square can be written as a plus b multiplied with a plus b. Similarly, this a minus b whole square can be written as a minus b multiplied with a minus b, and the third one is already here, a minus b multiplied with a plus b. Yes, that means it is in the form of factorization. That means the product of two terms can be written, can be expressed in the algebraic expression. So this is called factorization. So these are two terms. The first term is a product with the second term. Here also a minus b is the first term is the product with the second term a minus b. And the third one here a minus b is product with a plus b, and the result is a square minus b square. Now these three identities that we have already studied. With the help of these three identities, we will be going to factorize some of the algebraic terms. So let's go for the identity number 1. We will take an example and we will understand the how to factorize by using the identity number 1. That means a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. So let's see. If we will go to this one, question number 7 of our exercise 5.4, question number 7, then we will get our type of question like 4m square plus 44m plus 121. So if we observe this algebraic expression, then we will get that this 4m square is the type of a square number. That means it can be written like 2m whole square. See, twice m whole square means twice m multiplied by twice m, it is result is 4m square. That means yes, it is the form of a square, means a square plus, then what we will get? 121 is the square of 11. That means it is the b square. Then what we will be here? It is twice ab. That means it is twice. A means what? Twice m, and b means 11. So see, twice m into 2 into 11 means 22 into 2, 44m. Yes, exactly. The result is in this form, a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means what the result will be? It is twice m plus 11 whole square. So this means our twice m plus 11 and twice m plus 11, and this is the factorization of this algebraic term, because factorization means writing an algebraic expression with the product of different terms. So we have brought this algebraic expression with the product of this multiplied by this. This is the example of by using the identity number 1. Now we will move to the next example by using the identity number 2, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's see. Question number 7c of our exercise 5.4. P to the power 6 minus 4pq plus 4. If we will observe here, then we can find that this 4 is the square of 2. 2 square. That means b square we got. Now if we can see here, it is p to the power 6. That means it can be written as p cube to the whole square. According to the law of indices, if there will be a power, again there will be another power, the powers are multiplied, 2 into 3, 6, p to the power 6. Then if we will fit this in this form, minus 2ab means minus 2, a means p to the power 3 and b means 2. The result will be 2 multiplied by 2, 4 and p cube and the minus is minus 4p. That means this fits in this identity. So the result will be p cube minus 2 whole square, because in the formula of a minus b whole square, and the result will be as a factorization p cube minus 2 and p cube minus 2, because it is a whole square, the same number will be divided. So this is the factorization of this algebraic expression by using the identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we will move to the third identity. How we will factorize by using the third identity, that is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b multiplied with a plus b. So let's go for this identity. If you go to the exercise 5.4, question number 6a, then we can find the question like this: p square minus 81. P square minus 81. Now see here, it is p square, that means it is p square, and minus 81 means minus 9 whole square. Oh, this means a square minus it is b square. So see, a square minus b square, the identity is a minus b multiplied with a plus b. So that means it will be your p minus 9 multiplied with p plus 9, and factorization means writing an algebraic expression in the product of different terms. So I am writing the algebraic expression as a product of these two terms. So this is called the factorization. If you will multiply it, you will get the result this, and if you will factorize it, you will get the result this. That means factorization will leads to the result from the multiplication. If you will multiply, you want to verify, then you have to multiply it, you will get the result this, and if you will factorize it, you will get the result this. So this is all about the factorization by using the identity. So 3 examples we got for the 3 identities. First, a plus b whole square, second a minus b whole square, and the third a square minus b square. Now we will be going to discuss about the factorization by using the splitting the middle terms. So by factorization by splitting middle terms. So splitting middle term. So let's middle term. This is a special kind of factorization that needs to be done or factorized by splitting the middle term. So here we will take 2 examples. There is a special formula for splitting the middle terms. This is a little bit a difficult part, but you can understand very easily if you know the prime factorization. First, while doing by this splitting of middle term, that means first we cannot take by monomial or polynomial, then we will go for the identities. If the factorization cannot be done by the identities, we will think about the middle term factorization. Now see, the first part is ax square plus bx plus c. If an algebraic equation in this form, ax square plus bx plus c, that means I will give you one example. See, example number 1. If the algebraic expression in this form, 4x square minus 7x minus 50. Here it is plus given, it doesn't mean plus, it is means plus minus 15. Here it is minus 7 means plus minus 7x. Like this it is given. Okay. Now let's see how we will do. The second one is x square plus bx plus c. If the algebraic equation in this form, that means the constant multiplied here with x is nothing but 1. If therefore it is not given. Here the constant, certain constant is multiplied with x square. So there are two differences. First is algebraic expression in this form where the constant multiplied with x is this one, and the second one, the constant multiplied with the algebraic expression of x square is here a. So first we will do this kind of algebraic expressions, middle term factorization. Let's see. Suppose an algebraic equation having the form of this, means x square plus bx plus c. That means this p square plus 6p plus 8. Now see what will happen. Here we are getting a p square, then p and the 8, means it is in the form of x square plus bx. b is 6 here. See, b is 6 here and c means a constant is 8. Now what we will do? If an algebraic expression in this form, we have to prime factorize the third term, that is constant. So let's prime factorize this in our rough side. So this is the rough side and we will prime factorization. Look, 2 4 ja 8. Yes. Now we got 2 4 ja 8. Then again we can split this one. 2 2 ja 4. That means prime factorization of 8 means we can write this 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Yes, we are getting it. Now we have to erase this 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 in such a way that the sum of the numbers that we are getting here, factors, should be equal to plus 6. Suppose if we will take 2 and this 4, what will happen? 2 plus 4. Yes, the result is 6. That means we need the result 6. We have to find the result of the number with the sign also. Plus 6. Yes, and the multiplication of these two numbers is to 8. That means we are getting 8. That means here it will be your addition of two factors and here it will be your multiplication of that factor. Now if you want to take like this, suppose 4 is there, 2 multiplied by 2, then 2. That means 2 multiplied by 2. You can write 4 plus 2. Yes, it is also 6. We are getting the result 6 and then 4 multiplied by 2, we are getting a result 8. From where we got 4 and 2? We got 4 and 2 from this side. Factorization of 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That means it is 2 into 2 into 2. So 4 means this part and 2 means this part. So 2 products, 2 into 2, 4 and 2. Result is 8. We are getting 8. And the sum of two numbers is 6. That means we are getting 6. So we can write down in this way. See. P square plus we can write 4p and then we can write 2p because this 2 and 4. See, plus 4 plus 2 means result is plus 4 plus 2. The result is plus 6. So we are getting a factorization like this, plus 6. And the product is plus 4 plus 2 multiplied, is result is plus 8. Means plus 4 multiplied with plus 2. The result is plus 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 and it is 8. So we are getting 8 as a result. So now let's see what will happen. We are getting a factorization in this way. So look, from here what we can take common? Here is p square, that means p into p. Here is 4p means 4 into p. So we can take p common. So that means the result is 4p plus 4. See, p into p square, p into 4, 4p. Okay, from here what we can take common? Twice p means 2 multiplied by p and 8 means 2 multiplied by 4. So we can take 2 common. Here p plus 4 will come. Okay, then see p plus 4, p plus 4. That means factorization by taking the polynomial common. So p plus 4 is common. So we can take p plus 4 as a common factor. Then what remains? P plus 2. So this is the factorization of this algebraic expression. We will take another example to explain the factorization by using this algebraic expression. Let's see. If we will go for the question number 8b, what we will get? Q square minus 10q plus 21. That means, see, here, what is C here? In the algebraic expression, x square plus bx plus c. So c is 21. So let us prime factorize this 21. So 21. 2 not divisible, 3, 7 are 21. Yes, 7 is a prime number, we cannot do now more than 7. 21 is results to 3 into 7. Now let's see what will happen. We got 21 as a 3 into 7. Now we have to manage this 10q, means this minus 10 in such a way that the two numbers are there. Then the result of these two numbers while doing addition or subtraction should be given as a result of minus 10. So how we can write? This minus 3, this 3 into 7 can be written as minus 3 minus 7. What is the minus 3 minus 7? See, the negatives are minus 3 minus 7. Same signs, the numbers are added, minus 10. Okay, yes, we got minus 10. Now we should get a result of plus 21 also. So what we need? Minus 3 multiplied with this minus 7. The result is, see, minus minus plus, it is 21. So that means we are getting this plus 21 also. First we have to find the prime factorization of this constant term. Then we have to manage it by our own. So let's see how we can write. It can be written as q square minus 7q minus 3q. See, minus 3 minus 7 can be written as plus minus 10q. Then the third part, minus 3 minus 7 multiplied is 21. So it can be written as 21. So let's see how we can write. Q square q, then we can take q common, q minus 7, then minus 3q and 21. So this from minus 3q and 21, we can take a common of minus 3. Let's see. Minus 3q means minus 3 multiplied by q, and 21 means minus 3 multiplied by minus 7. Just we got, because plus minus minus result will be plus 3 into 7. So means minus 3 is common. So we can take minus 3 as a common. So what we will get? We will get here q minus 7. Because minus 3 multiplied with minus 7, here minus 7 will be there. Okay? So see, we can take, now see, q minus 7, that means we can take q minus 7 as a common and we will get q minus 3 as the result. So this is the factorization. That means this algebraic expression is expressed in the product of two terms, q minus 7 and q minus 3. So this is the way how we will factorize an algebraic expression by using the middle term when is in this form, x square plus bx plus c. Okay, now we will go to the next part. That means algebraic expression factorization by splitting the middle term when the expression is in the form like this: ax square plus bx plus c. In the first part, it was only x square that we have done the multiplication, prime factorization here, then addition, subtraction we have done there. But in this part, ax square means a certain number will be there. That means let's go for one example. It is 4x square minus 7x minus 50. Here minus 7x means plus minus 7. 15 means plus minus 50. So see what will happen. If an algebraic equation having this form, we have to multiply these two numbers. First a and the last c. So first find multiplication of AC. AC is 4 15 ja 60. Okay, done. 16 is done. Now we are getting 60. 4 multiplied with this 50. Result is 60. Let's go for this number. 4 multiplied with this 15. Result is 60. So let's factorize this. 2. 30 is 2. 15 is 3. 5 is and this number. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 is result is 60. Yes? Now we are getting a result 60. That means what we have to do? We have to find the result of 4 multiplied with minus 15. That means as a result minus 60 we need. And the addition of these some numbers will lead to, or subtraction of some numbers will lead to minus 7. So let's see how we can do it. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. If we can take 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 3, 12, 12 and 5, 12 and 5. Yes, 12 minus 5, 7. We are getting a 7, but sign is plus 7 here. So no need to write down this one. We need a minus 7. So what we will do? We will write minus 12 plus 5. You see, minus 12 plus 5 means it is minus 7. Minus plus, minus 12 minus 5, 7, and result is minus sign. So minus 7. Okay, and the product of this minus 12 and 5. See, minus plus, minus 12 5 is 60. Yes, we are getting 60. We got 60 here. 4 multiplied by minus 15. That means 60. So result is minus 60. So same number we are getting. If you take, suppose you are not doing this 12 into 7, then what will happen? If you will take some another example like with another number like 2 and this 5 3 are 15, 15 2 are 30, 230. 2 plus 30, 32, because it is 7. So it will not be our answer. Then 2 minus 30, minus 28. Answer minus 7. It will not be there also. Then if you want to take minus 2 plus 30, it is plus 28. The result is minus 7. Not possible. That means you cannot take this type of result. So what do you have to do? You have to prepare the result by your own. Here what we have done, 4 multiplied with this minus 15. The result is minus 60. That means we need the minus 60 as a product of two numbers. Then we got the prime factorization of 60. 2 30s are 2 15s are 3 5s are. That means we got the numbers like this. So what we have done, 2 3 is 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 into 5. So we are getting 12 into 5. 12 into 5 is 60. But we need the result minus 60. 4 multiplied with minus 15. So what we will do? We will try to put minus 12 into 5. So we are taking two numbers. Minus 12 into 5 minus 60. Yes, minus 60 we are just need to we need to add these two numbers. 12 5. What we can do? 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 minus 7. Yes, minus 12. Suppose you want to do 12 5, you got a result minus 12 5. Instead of minus 12 5, you may get minus 12 and 5. So 12 multiplied with 5. The result is 12 5 is 60 and the result is minus 60 we are getting. But now let's see, you are taking 12 and minus 5. So what will be there? 12 minus 5, two numbers 12 and 5. What will 12 minus 5? 7. But our answer is here minus 7. So it will not be. It should not be plus 7. It should be minus 7. That means here we have to take minus, here we have to take plus. So like this we have to do the factorization. So we got the middle term splitting as, this can be written as 4x square, this 7x can be written as minus 12x plus 5x. Minus 12x plus 5x means minus 7x and this is 15. We have to write. We no need to write as 60. Just we have to split these numbers. Now see, from there we can take a common 12x and 4x square means 4x we can take common. It is your x minus 3. From here we can take a 5 common. 5x minus 3. So see, x minus 3 and x minus 3 is common. So result will be x minus 3 and 4x plus 5. So this is all about the prime factorization. Means this is all about the factorization of algebraic expression by using the splitting of terms is in this form, ax square plus bx plus c. If we will move to the next, if we will go for the another example, I will explain another example also. Let's see here. Suppose we will take the example as 4x square minus 16x plus 4x square minus 16x plus 20. Let's see this one. Four x square minus 16x plus 15. So what we need to find first? Multiplication of these two numbers. 4 plus 15, 60 plus 15, 60. Okay, try to understand. 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 5 3s are. We are getting as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. Now we need a result of here addition and subtraction minus 60. So how we can write? 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 and 3. Addition and subtraction will lead to result as 17. It will not be our answer. Now let's see how we can write. 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. That means 10 and 6. So we are getting a result 10 and 6. That means the product of 10 and 6 is 60. Yes. 4 into 15, 60. And 10, 6. We need a result minus 16. That means we can put minus 10 minus 6. Minus 10 minus 6 is minus 16. And the product of minus 10 multiplied with minus 6. Minus minus plus 10 into 6, 60. Yes, we are getting a 60 also. Here 15, that means 4 multiplied with plus 15 is equal to plus 60. Yes, that means we are getting this 10 comma minus 6, minus 10 comma minus 6 and this 60. So we can write down this expression as like this. See. 4x square minus 10x, see, minus 6x, 10x minus 6x will result to minus 16x and 10 into 6 will result to 60 and negative is 40. So we no need to write 60 here, it is 50. So what we will write? See, from here we can take 2 into x and here 2 into 5x. So 2i6 we can take common, it is twice x minus 5. Here from here what we can take common? Minus 6x means minus 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x. 15 means minus 3 multiplied by minus 5. Minus minus plus 15. So means we can take 3 common. But if it is minus 3, then minus 3 can be taken as a common. So we are taking minus 3 common. It is twice x minus 5. So the result is twice x minus 3. And it is twice x minus 5. So this is the product of two terms, twice x minus 3, twice x minus 5, and the factorization of this. So this is all about the factorization, friends. I will give you some more questions of factorization from our book. You try to solve it. If there will be any problem, you ask me, I will clear your doubt.